This class helps you to understand about this Bootstrap forum controls. So Bootstrap supports the following forum controls like input, text area, checkbox, radio buttons, and select options. So we will discuss these forum control elements with an example. So here in last class we have seen this forum. So if we want to provide the text area or if you want to provide input area, so we can use the tags same as what we discussed in PHP HTML pages. So here, so we are providing the text area. So whenever we want to add this classes, say for example, now I am adding this forum control. So as I said, there are uh, 5 types of forum controls: input, text area, checkbox, radio button, and select buttons. So whenever we are using that element in our web page, it may be a input or it may be a text area or it may be checkbox. So we have to add this class to that tag. The class is forum control tag must be added to this element. So again, we can mention the number of rows, text area. So just all you have to do is, so first link the Bootstrap to your web page and again add the class. So again, all the contents should come under this container class. So and again, this forum control class must be added to this element. So this is about the text area. So whenever we observe this here in the localhost text area, so this is how it looks in the web page. So it looks, some of the CSS are applied for this. So whenever I click inside the comment section, automatically the color, the border color appears for this text box. So all these CSS effects are added in the predefined classes. So just we have to use this text area and add the class forum control. So this is about the text box. So next we have checkbox. So all of we know that checkbox. So in Bootstrap, it is easy to provide the checkboxes. So the page syntax remains same. So starting in the ed section, we are going to add the Bootstrap link files. So we know that meta tag will help the content to adjust to the width of the screen. Next, we are linking the CSS files. So next one, container division. So inside that we can add this forum elements. So now I am designing one forum. So in this forum, I am adding the 3 checkboxes. So 3 check boxes. So here first division for first checkbox, again second division and third division. So the class for the checkboxes, so forum check label. So this class must be added for the label, and in the input type, we have to use the type of the input is checkbox, and again we have to add one more class, that is forum check input class must be added. So rest all remains same, id, name, value, checked. So these can be added to this. So if we use this checked, so the first option will be selected first. So after that you can select others. So this is regarding the checkbox. So when we run on the web page, so it appears like this checkbox. So here we can observe. So we can select or unselect. So this is about this forum control checkbox. So whenever we want to add this checkboxes in our web pages, we can use this classes. So here the first one is checked. So automatically whenever we go to that web page, so it will select this is regarding forum control. So automatically the options we can multiple options can be selected. So now third option is not working. So that is, so we disabled that. So we have an option called disabled. So whenever in the input type, so this in Bootstrap, it provides all the types are supported here. So whenever we are taking the input from the user in the forum, so it can be a checkbox, or it can be a radio button, or it can be a text. So all the input types are supported. So now we are using the checkbox we are using. So and one more class, extra class must be added to this. So that is forum check input class must be added in this input tag. In the input tag, we need to add this class. So again, we can use this checked. So whenever we use this checked, so automatically the whenever we visit that page, that will be selected. So if we don't want, we can remove that checked. So and one more option is disabled. Suppose if we want to disable that option, so we can disable that option by using the keyword disabled in the input tag. We can use that disabled keyword in the input tag to make the checkbox disabled. So if we remove this disabled, so that option also will work. So this is regarding three types. One is we can make it box as checked, and one more, so it is a normal checkbox, and one more is disabled checkbox. So all these three types can be used in our web pages based on our requirements. So and here submit button. So now you can see here, so the submit button looks attractive. So for that we used this class. So btn button colon primary class. So whenever we had this class in for this submit button, so automatically it will have this effect. So this is regarding checkbox. So now the options are in separate lines. So if I want the options to be displayed in the same line, so in that case we can go for inline class. So we can go for inline class. So where all the options will be displayed in one line. So that is by using the inline class. So inline class helps us to make all the options to appear in the same line. So this is one more class. So here we just need to add this forum check inline class. So this forum check inline class will make all these check boxes to appear in the same line. So whenever we have the input from the user, it may be a radio buttons or it may be a check boxes. Check boxes we can select more than one, but radio button only one we can select. So now in this, so if we want in the separate lines, so we can go for the class forum check, and if we want all the options or check boxes to be in the same line, just we need to add this inline keyword to this class. So now it is forum check inline class will make all our checkboxes to appear in the same line. So once I submit, so we can link some pages upon this submit. That is, upon forum action, we can link to other pages. So this is regarding checkboxes. So next we have radio button. So all of you know that. So radio buttons so will be used in objective type questions. So whenever our web page contains some questions or we need to take the input from the user in the form of objective type. So in that cases, we can use this radio buttons. The class is forum check class. So and again here forum check label. So the type we have to mention is radio and one more class forum check input. So for checkbox also everything is same. So just we need to add this type as radio. If we want checkbox, we can use this checkbox. So this is regarding this radio buttons. So first you have to design one forum tag. So inside the forum tag, you can define the elements. So now I defined 3 radio buttons with one submit button. For defining radio buttons, first you have to provide this division tag and forum check, again forum check label class. So again in the input class, you need to add this forum check input class. So we can achieve this radio buttons on our web pages. So radio button. So whenever we select, some colors will be selected. So all that CSS will be provided by Bootstrap. So in the similar way, we can use the checked and we can also use the disabled option also we can use. So whenever we want to disable some options, we can go for disabled. This is regarding radio buttons. So radio buttons can be created easily in the Bootstrap web pages by providing the classes forum check and again forum check label. So and type must be radio. So again in the input tag you have to add this forum check input. So even for the checkbox also you need to add the same classes. So only type will shine. So now here you can observe. So all the options are in separate lines. So if you want to make it in the same line, so just like we discussed in the checkbox, so just we need to add this inline keyword. So automatically all the options will appear in same line. So if we want to make all the options to appear in same line, we have to add this keyword forum check inline class. So all these are predefined classes available in Bootstrap files. This is regarding radio buttons and checkboxes. So radio buttons, if we use radio buttons, only one option can be selected at a time. But if we use checkboxes, we can select more than one option. Next forum control is select option. So now if we want to select the items from a list, so we can go for this select tag. So here there are two types here. So the syntax web page remains same. So first is selecting only one option, that is using select tag, and selecting multiple options. So there are two ways of selecting. One, selecting only one element, and selecting multiple options. So what we have to do is, so just define one forum tag. So action, upon action, wherever you want, you can link the web pages. So again, division tag must contain the options. So here we can define the label. So label for selection 1, and again we have to use the select button, select tag, and class includes forum control. So ID and name is same. So again we can list the options. Suppose if you want to select multiple options at a time, so then in the select tag you have to use this multiple keyword. So if we use the multiple keyword, so we can select more than one option. So this is about select in Bootstrap controls. So now we'll see the example how it works. Select.html. So here the first one is the forum control select list. So here whenever we use the select tag, so automatically it will display the select tag. So at a time we can select only one option. So here like whenever we see the form filling applications, so there we can observe the states, countries, so there will be a list of options. So for that we can use this select option. So here at a time I can select only one option. So this is the first category. So and next second is we are using multiple class. So in this case, so just by holding the shift key, we can select multiple options. By holding the shift key. So this is the two different types of select options in Bootstrap. So one is, first provide this select tag. In the select tag we can list the options, say like suppose you want state, so select a list. So here, so we can define like state, and here we can define so Karnataka. So again by alphabetical order also we can define, so Bihar, so Andhra. So like this we can define the states. So we can add this, and here we refresh. So here, so states, so we can select this. So Karnataka state, Andhra state, anything, whichever you want, you can select this. So this supports the Bootstrap. So easily we can create this select list by using the Bootstrap. And whenever I move the cursor, you can see the effect, color effect, that is defined by CSS classes. Blue color is defined. So that is, and even whenever I select this text box, select box is highlighted with some light blue color. So all these CSS effects will be provided by Bootstrap. So this way we can use this select tag in the forum pages whenever we want to list states or countries, colleges, like that. So and in case of multiple, so just we have to add this multiple keyword. So automatically we can select more than one option. So this is regarding this select in Bootstrap. So these are the forum controls. Forum controls includes input, text area, checkbox, radio buttons, and select buttons. In select, we have two types, selecting only one option at a time and selecting multiple options at a time. So if we want to select multiple options, we have to add this keyword multiple. So whenever we add the multiple keyword, so we can select that. So by holding shift key, we can select and we can submit. So this is regarding the forum controls.